Okay, I've learned some things since yesterday. One is that this is all to do with gas, and this is gas, right? And somebody said to me they think this is just petrol. Now it's obviously a bit too rich, I think, because when you turn it off the engine runs right. So what I'm going to try and do is turn that down and see whether or not it helps. It might not cure, but it might help. So I'm going to give that a go. This I'm going to adjust to see if it makes any difference. We'll give it a go. Well, I had another go at trying to fix it, and no, the gas is working fine. It works fine on gas. It's just a petrol. When you try and drive it on petrol, I tried to drive it down the road, and it sort of goes, and then it sort of loses. The engine seems to rev and it doesn't go. Does that make sense? I don't understand that. It seems to. So I think it might be a pump or something like that. Because it's fine on gas. Honestly, it goes 60, 70 on gas. So maybe it's a pump. I don't know. Petrol pump? Or the petrol filter? Or something like that? I don't know. So I assume I'm going to have to put it into a garage. Get them to look at it. I had to go myself first of all. Because basically, if they're going to sit and want to play with it, they're obviously going to charge me £25 an hour. Or whatever it is, £35 an hour. And I'd rather check a few bits myself first and say to them, you know, it's not that. I did learn a bit, though, about engines. So I've never really been an engine person, to be honest. I've always sort of, I can do all the electrics and the lights and the things like that, but when it comes to engines, no, I've never done that. So it was an experience to do that, and it was good. So I've learnt a few things. I know when I say things like, what's that? I don't know what that is, or something like that, like I did in the last video, and then read on the bottom, it says it's the gas thing. Okay, so the gas comes through on the two pipes. So yeah, you get to learn the engine. A lot of people, I think, purchase the same vehicle all the time because they know, they hear a little clonk or a click or a dip or something, and they just go, oh, I know what that is. So I think that's why people buy the same sort of car or vehicle or bus or van all the time, because, you know, you get to know it, really. Yeah, so I'm going to have to put that in the garage as well. I still haven't finished the solar thing. I must do that as well. The solar shower that I'm fitting up for the water. So I've got to do part 2 of that as well, so, yeah. So lots to do. If you have any more ideas, please leave them in the comments. Cheers.